Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the basic operation of recipe. First, create a new project and choose the runtime platform. You can choose the device you need. In this example, we use the A7 Pro. Here, we will create 4 internal variables for the recipe. 4 integer variables. They are water, egg, sugar, and flour. After creating the variables, we need to create a new recipe. Find the dynamic recipe and click Enable. Click Add Variables. Dynamic recipe variables can be added at project runtime. Add new component. Components can be thought of as elements in an array. Add group. Change the group value. The group value is just setting the values for the different components. Click the main display. Click on the functional component. Choose the numeric input or display. Double-click it and bind variable. Right-click the graphic and click Multiple Copy. Click Advanced Controls. Click the recipe browser and double-click it. Bind the recipe table. Click Offline Simulation and save the project file. After saving, you can see our project running screen. Click the Download Recipe button. The recipe is downloaded successfully. Click the Detailed Interface. Click Add Component button. The component that can be added are the variables that are added to the dynamic recipe. Select the group you want to download and click Download. The recipe is successfully downloaded. Select the group you want to upload and upload the recipe. The recipe is successfully uploaded. This is the basic operation of recipe. Thanks for watching. Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.